Welcome to Captain B Garage. Today I had a little bit of time extra, so I wanted to play around with the ski. I'm waiting for the motor, for the jugs and pistons and everything to come in to rebuild the motor. So I said, you know what, let me just clean this up a little bit more. And I thought it'd be a good time to make a quick video. A lot of times, like I said, I got this for $75 a ski. And I'm going to show you how you can make a $75 ski into something that's pretty respectable. As I pulled the motor out last week, on these older skis, you'll see on the bottom, you pull the motor around, there's just tons of oil and crap, and it looks like crap. And you say, well, why would I get something like this? And why would I do something like that? Well, I'm going to show you how easy it is just to clean it up. And then you're going to say, wow, it looks almost brand new. And we're going to get this whole ski cleaned up. But today, I want to show you a quick and easy way to get the hull cleaned up. You take a regular shop vac, older one, preferably, and remove the filter to suck the water. And in the back corner there, where the pickups are for the bilge pumps, I stick it right there. First I clean out whatever I can, and you'll be surprised when you remove these motors, what is left there. I found wrenches, screwdrivers, tons of parts, nuts, bolts, you name it. Today, while I was cleaning it out, again, nuts, bolts, screws. Here's a plate for the throttle linkage sitting on the bottom there. So over the years, as people work on them, they drop a lot of stuff and they're not getting it, so they just leave it there. But so what we do is, I'm going to show a close-up video of it. Put the shop vac with no filter in the corner there. Turn it on, and as we turn it on, we power wash it, sucks all the water out, so you're not filling up. It makes it a lot easier. So let's show you how to do it. Well, as you can see, we got a swampy mess over here. So I'm going to take this shop vac, put it in the corner there, right over there, and we're going to turn it on. This is like a power washer. Look at that sludge. Okay, so after a little bit of scrubbing and elbow grease and power washing, we got this looking pretty decent. I'm going to do a little bit more to it, a little more detergent or simple green degreaser, and scrub it a little bit better, but I think it came out pretty good for today. I'm going to try to post another video maybe tomorrow or the next day of the steering cable. We got to replace that out. As you can see, the motor mounts over there are shot. So we're going to get new motor mounts, and we're going to start pulling stickers off of it, flip it over upside down to paint the hull and all the other hood and other stuff on here. Pull the traction mats off and everything. Got a lot of stuff to do, but we're going to do videos step by step so you guys can follow along and see how it looks at the end. Until next time, like and subscribe. Thanks.